Hello everyone, today being the 27th of September 2019, I got the all new, 2 years ago, Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera. And the reason why I got this was because the M6 Mark II just came out and it doesn't have the fully articulating screen, and it costs way more. So I just thought I can't wait for Canon to bring out the new version of this, so I'm just going to buy it. So here it is, unboxing. Some Canon something, collective something. Warranty card. User manual. Oh, it's all English. Okay, that's a big user manual. Look at that. I thought it would be different languages. Pretty big. I'm pretty sure I might never read that, but I might look at something. Okay, can you see well enough there, video man, Ryan? It doesn't quite have the amazing presentation of an Apple product. First thing that I see is a nice Canon strap. What else is there? Power plug. Weird power pack for the battery. Battery, very small. Let's hope I can get a few hundred photos out of that when I use it. And the actual camera. So exciting. It smells so camera-y and new. Some bubble wrap. Good for when Australia Post shake it on delivery.
Get it to you in 2 days.
Yeah, actually I did get it in 2 days. There it is. Dun dun dun. How snazzy is that? So light. No lens on it, of course. And here's the reason why the M50 is better than the new M6 Mark II. Fully articulating, spinny, tilty screen. Now, I'm hoping that because I got the pack with the lens, that here will be the little lens. I can't even remember what the lens is now. That's terrible. What is it? The 15 to 45 mil. So cute. And while I'm unwrapping this, I'll just tell you that I got this camera for 770 Australian dollars thanks to the Union Shopper discount at The Good Guys, and I could have bought a second-hand one of these on eBay for bids starting at 700. I also found this online somewhere else for like $817, or on Canon's website $899. So saved $200 and got a new camera. I had been psyching myself up just to buy a second-hand camera. Look at that, how cute! So small. So amazing. Oops, let's take that off. Try not to like blow dust into it before I've ever used it. Ah, so cute. On button.
Might want a battery in that.
Oh yeah. Thanks, video man. Oh yeah, is the battery gonna have power? It should do, shouldn't it? Anyway, so yeah, there's the unboxing. $770 for a nearly 2-year-old system. And knowing the way my life works, probably in about a month's time, Canon will bring out the Mark II of this and I'll be crying. But anyway. Oh, there we are, look, it's on. Doesn't show much except set up the date and time. So there we go. The Canon EOS M50. So light. This will be going to the Cook Islands in a month and Europe at the end of the year. Bye.